and now they were able to have a much better profit, so from losing money to a very good profit.
Meet Stefano, CEO of Nomadz. With 8 years' experience of running Amazon PPC exclusively for brands, Nomadz currently manages over $2 million in ad spend monthly.
In this video, I want to share with you another case study that we did. So as you can see, for this company, they were losing money when we started working with them, and now they were able to have a much better profit. So from losing money to a very good profit. And one key reason why we were able to do that was based on the CPC. So look at the CPC. The CPC in December and November was really high, $2.93. And right now it's 2.2, so much lower. And thanks to that, we were able to decrease the SOS and then to decrease also the TACOs. So from 18%, 19% to 12%. And so our margin obviously increased as well. One key factor was improving the CPC by having some bid optimization in the account with the bidding rules in scaling sites. To do that, you need to go under automation and you need to click bidding rule. One automation that I agree most seller will agree is that if we got a lot of clicks and no orders, we want to decrease the spend. We want to decrease the bid because we know that keyword is not working. Let's start by doing some simple automation, connect that to the ad group, and later on you can go more advanced. And that should help you to improve your CPC on the account and hopefully your profitability.